Today we are cooking Cabbage Palacieo, and the ingredients we are going to need are turmeric powder, mixed veggies, Maggi, smoked fish, eggs, cabbage, dried thyme, and onions. Just as we did for cabbage jollof, put the onion in a frying pan, add olive oil, put the smoked fish and let it fry for about 2 minutes. You remember I told you that before you put anything in your mouth, you must make sure that you know the benefits. If you have been following my channel, you will notice that I use onions in most of my recipes. This is because onion contains antioxidants and compounds that fights inflammation and reduces cholesterol levels, all of which may lower heart disease risk. Their potent anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce high blood pressure and protect against blood clots. At the same time, onion contains fiber and folic acid, vitamin B. All this helps the body to make healthy new cells. So onions are healthy whether they are cooked or eaten raw. So the next thing I did was to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of thyme. I added it to the onion and the smoked fish, and I stir it until it mixes very well. If you do not have turmeric powder, you can use curry powder. It's also very good and it will serve the same purpose. So I added the cabbage, a little water, and Maggi. Here I prefer to use crayfish Maggi. You can use salt to taste if you prefer. Mix the Maggi and allow the cabbage to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring until the cabbage cooks and becomes tender. Then add the 2 eggs. Then mix it well and allow it to cook. When it is cooked, you add the mixed veggies, But be careful about the quantity or the amount of these veggies that you use, because it has its own benefits and also some side effects. It can raise your blood sugar if you have too much of it. But we are using it because they are packed full of vitamins and minerals that provide a range of health benefits. Keep stirring until the veggies becomes tender and cooked. Okay, that's it. Our cabbage palacieo is ready. You can eat this meal alone if you want, but most times I prefer to add my lovely cucumber and the nutritious avocado. If you have been following me on this channel, you will know that this meal is very good, especially when you consider all the nutrients and benefits in this meal. This palacieo would definitely add to your healing. So let us continue to heal together as we enjoy this meal together. Look out for more recipes to heal your diabetes in my upcoming videos. God bless you. Eat better food and enjoy.